Hi everyone, this is Adora here and welcome back to my channel. So last week I took you on a tour of my living room, so be sure to check that video out. I'll place a link in the description box below. Today we're in the dining room, so if you like to see how I created this inexpensive, elegant, everyday tablescape, please be sure to stay tuned. So I started with a table mat, which I decided to keep neutral since this is an everyday table setting. So next I added a charger, which I kept pretty neutral as well, but the pattern adds some texture. I placed a plain white dinner plate on top of the charger and a salad plate on top of the dinner plate. Now the plateware is where you can really save a lot of money. These plates here I got from Target, but you can also get them at Walmart and even the dollar store. So you absolutely don't have to spend a lot of money on plates, especially not for an everyday setting. Next, I added a tea light holder and decided to introduce some color with these blueberry sprigs that I placed inside. I added some more color with these blue napkins that I secured with this beautiful pearl napkin ring. Now, as you can see, I'm still learning how to fold these napkins, so don't hate on my napkin folding skills. I finished it off with a wine glass. Now, glassware is another area where you can save a lot of money because glassware is sold at the dollar store. Yes, you heard that correctly. At the dollar store. Just about all of my glassware is from the dollar store. So that's a way to get beautiful glassware for very little. For the centerpiece, I chose to keep that fairly simple by using these beautiful silver candle holders that I already had, and I just placed some tea light holders on top and some candles inside and some decorative pebbles inside, and that was it. Now for the centerpiece, you can get as creative as you choose to. You can add a runner, you can add a beautiful floral arrangement. You know, really the sky's the limit to do whatever you want. So one thing you've probably noticed is that I didn't include any flatware. And that was deliberate, you know, as this is an everyday tablescape and I'm always cleaning and dusting the pieces. So really less is more in this case. But you can certainly include your forks and your knives and your spoons if you choose. So as you can see, it's very simple to create a beautiful, elegant, everyday tablescape at a beautiful price. So as always, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos as there will be videos every week, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.